Introducing LG G8 ThinQ's new and convenient unlock feature, Hand ID. To set Hand ID, first, go into General in Settings and touch Lock Screen and Security, and touch Hand ID again. Once you unlock the phone with Registered Security option, touch the Start button and register your Hand ID. Place your hand 6 inches away from screen and fit in the circle in your screen. Until the circle disappears, move your hands closer to the camera. Try one more time to complete registration. LG G8 ThinQ Z's camera recognizes objects in 3D. Z camera recognizes your unique veins in your palm. When you want to unlock your phone with Hand ID, place your hand 4 inches away from front camera. If you're not sure how far 4 inches is, think of your lipstick, credit card, or business card. Now you can easily unlock your smartphone whenever you want by placing your hand over your phone. Experience LG G8 ThinQ's new Hand ID, an easy and convenient way to unlock your phone.